Who's heard of the ABLE Act? You guys are all just so quiet. Is it because we're being recorded? Nobody here has heard of the ABLE Act? Okay. Okay. Stands for Achieving a Better Life Experience. It's only 2 years old now. The first one were funded about this time 2 years ago. It allows qualified individuals with disabilities to have tax-free savings accounts. So remember that $1,600 number? That's gone now, or $2,000 number. As long as you put the money in here, it's an exempt asset. You can put up to $15,000 a year. It follows the federal government's gift tax exemption. So last year it was $14,000, this year it went up to $15,000, so that will continue to go up. If you're familiar with 529 College Savings Plan, this is a 529A of the code. Okay, so it's modeled after 529 plans. Okay, you are now allowed, they did modify the law, and you are allowed to roll money from a 529 college savings account into one of these now, but still only at the $15,000 mark. They are sponsored by states. Connecticut does not currently have one, but you don't have to wait for Connecticut. They're in the process, and I'm not telling you that Connecticut's going to be any different or better. My daughter's is set up in Ohio. Why? Because they were the first. And I think her account was probably one of the first 100 or so in the country. And I will tell you, I did that because, question?
Do you suggest that folks have all of these items? So to have the account that you already said and have the ABLE Act?
They're not mutually exclusive. You can't leave money to an ABLE account. It's something that you put in there, or the individual with special needs puts in there while they're alive, but you can't, first of all, you can't leave more than $15,000 in 1 year.
Right. But you can have that and the other.
Yeah, it's not a one or the other. Right. Absolutely not. It's not one or the other. So the only advantage to using your states is some states give you a state income tax deduction. And I don't know how many people here think that the state of Connecticut is going to give us an income tax deduction, the fiscal state we're in, to put money in that ABLE account. Maybe they will, I don't know. But other than that, it's not important to use your own state.